When we buy our cars, we always try and buy them so that they're a little bit different, they're unique, and they've always got something special about the specification. This is a 2023 Land Rover Defender X-Dynamic HSE. So the X-Dynamic and the HSE gives you massive spec, which I'll go into later. But just look at the car from the outside. It's been spec'd beautifully. You've got the headlights, the badging, the decals, the section on the bonnet, the wide arch kit in gloss black, mud flaps, the lights at the top. It even looks even better from the rear, so it looks absolutely unique. And I think the little things that I've added to it, it just gives it that wow factor. The price point on them, we all know the prices have now come down, they're much more realistic. So this car has got all them extras, but it's priced right as well. I think it's $61,990. The X-Dynamic gives you all the gloss black styling, but then it's got the big extended arches. It's sat on 20s, it's sat on the side steps. It's got the deployable ladder on the side as well, contrasting black roof. It's also got a lovely two-tone interior, which I'll show you. The car's, with it being a 23, got Land Rover warranty and Land Rover Assist till 2026 as well. But all these little bits of styling, the sections on the wings, the lights at the top, the signature graphic, again, done differently on the side. And then look at it from the back. So we've got clear lights, we've got rear spoiler, gloss black spare wheel cover, detachable tow bar. So look at it there, you can see they've done this section in blacks, which just breaks it up and it just makes it look really, really unique. Even your tow knife have been done in gloss black there, you can see. Inside, a little protector there. If you want to drop them seats down, you can. But the car from the outside just looks really, really special. Moving on inside, that's when all the HSE spec comes to life. So it's keyless entry. We walk to the car, little button, the car opens. You've got Meridian speaker, you've got memory seats. You can see on the door card you've got the ivory. So it's got a two-tone interior on the seats and the armrest, but then you've got a darker roof lining. What does the HSE give you? Heated and cooled seats, digital cockpit. You've got things like tilt and sliding sunroof. And then also you can see on a HSE you get more of an extended leather, so all the dashboard here is in black, all stitched in ebony. Heated wheel, adaptive cruise, automatic lights, automatic wipers. Larger screen, so you've got the 11.4-inch screen, again, which just sits and looks really, really well. You've then got your navigation, your Bluetooth. I'll show you the camera system, I always like to show that. 3D camera system on the new Land Rover products is superb. Into the seats, with the car being a HSE, we've got heated and we've got cooled seats. And then you've got your wireless Apple CarPlay, your multimedia, your front and rear heated screens. Centre section, they've had this carbon effect across the centre section of the armrest. You can see that there. And you've got storage and little sections. But the car is lovely. I'll show you it with the lights at the top. There's a little button for them. Again, we've sold quite a lot of these cars where customers have asked us for them. But the car looks lovely inside, just with it having that two-tone interior. But then from the outside, it looks really, really well. Now the car's running as well, you can really see off the LED clear lights at the back. And I think a white car, when it's done right, with the right spec, always it's got a little bit of wow factor about it. It is going live on the website. It's at the right price point. Any questions, the number's on the bottom of the screen. You can call me direct.